Alright, well, let's see. We are out riding because it is beautiful today. I mean, it's already 6 p.m. So took her out, cleaned her a little bit. Unfortunately, I can't turn my lights on because I think my remote control gave up on me. So no accent lights. Stickers came off on the tank, stickers came off on the backs. I don't know if you guys know. These guys I left on. I did a cross-country trip in 2022 and rode from Vancouver to Ottawa in 5 days and then back again. But there are some problems and the website is down, so I don't need those stickers anymore. Okay, and basically this one's on. The other thing that happened, the windshield is gone. So we have this view now. So just want to see, because we're still testing audio here, right? What the microphone does without the windshield. Because I think for the audio here, the windshield didn't help too much. Because it's an original Honda windshield, but I think it was cut by at least an inch, if not two. And all the wind that comes over the windshield basically gets directly here on the front of my helmet. And it's just loud and annoying. And I don't mind. Like, I love my windshield for longer rides, but just right now I don't do 12-hour rides or something, so I don't like the windshield. I like fresh air and the wind in my face. Okay, but let's save some battery and I get back to you when we get on the highway. Okay, entering the freeway. Visors open, visors closed now. Oh man. For all you people out there thinking I'm getting tired of that sound, I don't. Yeah, baby. Holy moly. Yeah, I forgot that I took the windshield off. I gotta hold on again. It's like a workout. But I already, just how it feels on the helmet, I think the audio will be way better than what it was the last time with the windshield. Any of you guys can really think it's getting annoying. I don't know what's wrong with you. It's the best sound a bike can have. Vancouver, everybody wants to be on the left lane and they're not even doing the speed limit. Me as a German, I grew up and learned that you have to stay on the right lane unless you overtake. This way here is so, on the one way it's so annoying, on the other hand it just makes for nice, it's like skiing, left and right through the traffic. It's fun sometimes, but it can also be annoying. Okay, I think that's enough for the test. Oh, I mean, camera is still recording, so why not? Oh, overpass. Three in a row. Just. God, you guys. Three cars next to each other. Everybody's doing 90 kilometers an hour. Unbelievable. Should have put on my neck gaiter here. Without the windshield and my hoodie, the wind blows in the hoodie and then down my neck. That's not nice. Yeah, I definitely missed riding without a windshield. It's nice. minutes and 40 seconds from Burnaby, from the start, from entering the highway to the center of the Portman Bridge. Oh yeah. That was fun. I really can't believe it. 10 minutes. From entering the highway to exit here. Huh.